What is agitation and why do I care? Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and we're going to talk about probably the most important part when it comes to cleaning your carpet, and that's agitation. A lot of people, when they've asked me what is agitation, it almost has like a negative connotation, like their mother-in-law, right? Like, oh no, it's gonna hurt something because it's agitating. But when it comes to cleaning your carpet, you want your vacuum cleaner to agitate or vibrate the carpet, create a little miniature earthquake and loosen the debris and bring it up to the surface so that when you get to it, it's actually pulling it in to the bag, okay? So we're gonna turn this on. What you're gonna see, these brushes are gonna come around and hit like paddles on the carpet, thumping and bringing it up to the surface, creating that little miniature earthquake. And that's what's gonna help the cleaning process be done correctly. So as you can see, the agitation brought it up to the surface and then we sweep it into the bag. That's why you want agitation.